How to insert a text box or object in Google Slides. First things first, open your browser and go to Google Slides. You can start a new slide by typing slides.new in the address bar, or open an existing presentation you want to edit. Once you have your presentation open, navigate to the slide where you want to add your text box or object. Now, direct your attention to the menu at the top. Click on Insert. Here, you have several options to choose from depending on what you want to insert. Let's start with adding a text box. Click on Text Box. A crosshair cursor will appear. Click and drag on your slide to create your text box. Voila, you can now type in your text box. Feel free to reposition and resize it by clicking and dragging the borders. Next, let's try inserting an image. Go back to Insert, and this time, select Image. You can upload from your computer, search the web, or choose other options available. Let's select Upload from Computer for this tutorial. Once your image is uploaded, you can click and drag to move it around or resize it using the blue handles around the image. In a similar way, you can also insert shapes. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, and choose the shape you want. After choosing a shape, click and drag on your slide to draw it. Like the text box and image, you can resize and position it as you like. Last but not least, if you want to insert a line, go back to Insert and select Line. Click and drag to draw your line. And there you have it.